In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a call from Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the entire process of placing a call directly from your CRM using the built-in click-to-call feature. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look out for during the call, and how to properly log the conversation so your team has a complete history. First, start inside your Zoho CRM and head over to the area where your contact records live. This could be the Leads module, the Contacts module, or the Accounts module, depending on how your organization is set up and where that person is stored. The process is the same in each place. Once you're in the correct module, look for the specific record you want to call and open it. This brings you to the detailed view of that lead, contact, or account, where all their information is laid out. On this record page, locate the phone number field. Zoho CRM usually highlights this clearly, so it's easy to see. Right next to the phone number, you'll see a small phone icon. This is your click-to-call button. When your phone system or telephony provider is properly integrated with Zoho CRM, clicking this icon will trigger an outbound call using the connected system. Go ahead and click the phone icon. As soon as you do, a call widget or pop-up will appear on your screen. This widget is your control center for the call. From here, you can see the call status, like dialing, ringing, or connected. While you're on the call, you'll typically have a few basic controls available. For example, you can mute yourself if you need a moment to check something without the other person hearing, and you can end the call directly from this pop-up when you're finished. It's a good idea to keep an eye on the widget throughout your conversation, just so you know the call is still active and to quickly access those controls when needed. Once the call ends, either because you hung up or the other person did, the widget will usually prompt you to log the activity. This last step is important. After the call, make sure you save the activity log. Zoho CRM will let you capture details such as call outcome, notes about what was discussed, and any follow-up actions you need to take. Taking a moment to write a clear summary helps you and your team stay on the same page and makes future follow-ups much easier. And that's it. Open the record, click the phone icon, manage the call in the widget, and then save your activity log to keep your call history complete and organized.